Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project on the schedule for you today. Today we're going to be playing with one of our most popular colors of all time, Wicked Wine. If you're one of the few people who've never seen Wicked Wine before, it is a deep, metallic, kind of Merlot-looking red. And on top of that, we're going to be spraying an awesome pearl. What I wanted to spray was the Cotton Candy ColorShift, and this is an interference color shift that goes... I'm not really sure what colors this go to because I don't think we've actually ever used, Gabe, have we ever used Cotton Candy ColorShift on a video before? No. So we're going to learn together today. So Cotton Candy ColorShift over Wicked Wine as a base. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we are all done with today's project. Now, I knew going in this one could be a little on the unique side. Sometimes that means great things and sometimes not so much. I love the way this car came out. I want you to take a look at this car, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think. I always love hearing your guys' opinion. Now, if you want to dip your own car, click right up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. We have tons of kits and colors to choose from. Let's go outside and check this thing out. Thanks for watching. Thank you for taking the time to subscribe. It means a lot to us. And you know what? If you like the color, like the video. It helps us a lot more than you might think. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project on the docket. What the f is a docket? Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project on the schedule for you today. We're going to be playing with one of our most popular colors of all time, Wicked Wine. Wicked Wine, if you don't know, is a wine-colored... Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a great project on the schedule for today. Today we're going to be playing with one of our most popular colors of all time, Wicked Wine. If you're not familiar with Wicked Wine, which most of you guys are, it's a very deep, you son of a...